All right, guys, good afternoon. Let's talk about the trades I took today. First on the pre-market session, and then the other two, one on AM session and one on beginning of the PM session of New York. So let's talk about it. At the pre-market around the 7 a.m., I could frame this trade. So I measured the low and high, and I got the standard deviations. So my entry was around here. I guess it was 21, 326, something like this. And then I closed the trade here when the price touched the minus 3.5 zone. I closed the trade here because it was 7:30, a little bit more, and then I stopped to take my breakfast. And then when I come back like 20 minutes later, I don't know, I saw the price rocket sky like this, and I said, damn, I missed this train. I guess I opened my chart was around here, 8:10, 8:15. So I was waiting for some kind of a retrace to get in. But since the market was so bullish, I long again around here, something around here, and then I hold the trade until was around this zone here, because I was looking my higher time frame chart, and then look at this. The 7-hour chart was beautiful. I measured the 6 p.m. doji candle, and I saw the standard deviations. So by the time I closed the trade, I was around here, minus 3.5 standard deviations. 21,652, I guess was that. And then when I see price like reach the 50% of minus 4 and minus 3.5 standard deviation, I short a little bit below here before the 9:30 open. And then let's talk about the 9:30 open. After the opening range, I measured the opening range, and I said I took a short around. I closed the long trade, and I took a short that was around here. And then when it started dumping, I closed my trade on minus 1 standard deviation, because I didn't know if we keep it going down. We have these levels that could be a support for the price. Then I closed my trade when I touched this minus 1. So price starts consolidating, and when I watch this, when I look at this, I set a Fibonacci levels here, and I was waiting price to return it to at least 50% of this opening range. That matches, I was looking for 0.705 level or 0.786. And in my execution that I recorded, I first tried to enter on this zone, 0.705. But because this gap was like short, I didn't close the trade because it was like 14 points. So I wait. If you see the price touch the next level, that was 0.786. So I set a limit order here, but it was never filled. So when price started dropping around here, I entered one more. So I was with 2 contracts. My stop was a little bit above this 0.786, and it was a good short. So I show in this video that I executed how I took the partials off and how I parameter back when price retraces. So I took one off, and then when price came up, I entered again, and I took off. I did this up and down, this handshake. So I always like to take profit and keep my risk low. So I took this trade here. Let me see. It was that measure, because this is a fractal consolidation, so I measured high and low of the fractal consolidation. And my last target was a little bit below the 4.5, but I killed the trade around here when I got this turtle soup, and I see that my runner will never get hit, so I close the trade. And after that, I took a long around here. Yeah, I took 3 times the long because I measured. Yeah, I measure here. So I wait for the retrace to 0.705 zone. So I enter long, and then I did the same. I took off here, and sometimes I parameter, and I move my stop loss to break even. Price get back, stop me on break even. I enter again. I did this 3 times. So my last TP, I took like one on opening range high, and the other one around the 4 standard deviation. I guess was something around here. Yeah. And then after that, I took this measure. When price reached this zone, I entered a short here, and then I queued the trade around here. This last trade I did recorded, but I can show my executions in a second. So I enter here 21,663 with two contracts, and I took one off, and then when the price retrace, I enter one more, and then enter another here and another here. Here I pyramid twice because it will be the second stage delivery. I mean, when the price closes below the 2.5, we have a retrace around this 1 and 1.5 zone. If you guys can see, that's a level that price retrace. So I enter another 2 here and take one off here, one here, and that was my runner. I waited till the price. So basically was the same logic. I wait price to reach this zone minus 40, minus 4.5 standard deviation, and I took a short here and projection to take my target. So those ones the trades I took today. I hope you guys enjoying. If you like this video, please drop a like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.